Allah intended to create a vicegerent Khalifa on earth, and He informed the angels of this decision. The angels asked, "Will you create a being who will cause corruption and shed blood on earth, while we glorify you with praise and sanctify you?" Allah replied, "I know what you do not know." From this point begins a story that is not just about the creation of humankind, but a complete blueprint of human nature, its weaknesses, its greatness, and its trials. According to narrations, Allah commanded the angels to bring soil from the earth so that Adam could be created from it. When the first angel came to the earth sought refuge in Allah and pleaded, "Do not take from me. I fear that from me will be created a being who will disobey." The angel returned without taking anything, saying that the earth had sought refuge and he did not find it appropriate to act against that plea. Then another angel was sent, and the same thing happened. A third was sent, and again the same occurred. This presents a striking image of how creation responds between fear of Allah and obedience. Some stop at the surface of the command, while others grasp its deeper purpose. Finally, Allah sent Azrael. When he came to the earth, it again pleaded for protection. But he responded, "I cannot go against the command of Allah." He gathered soil from different parts of the earth, some hard, some soft, some dark, some light, some red, and brought it back. It is said that because of this, human beings differ in color, temperament, and personality. Some are hard. Then that soil was shaped into a specific form, but the soul had not yet been breathed into it. The body remained lifeless for a period. During this time, Iblis would come, observe it, strike it, and look inside it, saying, "This is hollow. It has no real strength." Gradually, arrogance grew within him. He convinced himself that this creation could not be better than him, rather. The soul into Adam. As the soul entered his body, life began to flow through him. It is narrated that when the soul reached his head, this mindset became so deep that he lost the ability to see truth. Then came the moment when Allah breathed, granting him a form of knowledge that the angels did not possess. Allah presented these things to the angels and said, "Tell me their names if you are truthful." The angels replied, "We have no knowledge except what you have taught us." Then Adam named them all. And here the true strength of humanity became clear, knowledge and understanding. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.